Hey folks, we are on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. We're going to do a room tour of an Oceanview balcony. We are on the 7th floor. You are here. We are just about right smack in the center of the ship. We are in room 7196. See there, deck 7, room 196. As you come in, you have the bathroom area here. Pretty standard for a Royal Caribbean ship. You got the stand-up shower, single vanity here. It's got some room for storage here along the left side. Your towels here and hooks along the door, which come in very handy when you have wet clothing, towels, etc. Got your important muster station information, safety information here along the inside door. And as we come in, we've got some remnants of the past here, the old magazine racks here, which also make it kind of nice for storage. Got a couple other hooks here. You've got the Royal King bed. There's your closet. You got the standard safe there. Got several cubbies for storage. And you have your closet. You've got this here, so if you need more area to hang your clothing up, you have that option. Got two nightstands on either side of the bed. You've got some lighting here if you need a light in the evening and all the rest of the lights are off. You got the light switch just underneath the light there. Same thing on this side. You also have light switches here to turn on and off the lights in the room. Standard telephone here. Some ships actually have a USB port here so you can plug your phone in. This one does not have that. Got a couch here which doubles as a bed if you have more than two guests in your room. Nice little coffee table. Got your TV, which does move. So if you're lying in bed and want to watch TV, you can do that. Got more storage along the top. You got your vanity. Three standard US plugs here. Some more storage here. You got three drawers and your cooler. Now, what's unique about this balcony room, if you notice, this balcony is pretty long. This isn't a bump out. And not all the balconies, and actually very few, on the Oasis class ships go out this far. Now we're in the bump out in the center of the ship. Now we're in Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades here. You notice this bump out, it goes back to the right there after this next room. If you look over here on this side, you look a little further down, it's the same. So there's only a handful of balcony rooms on this level, on 7, that are this wide. Or, I'm sorry, rather this long. And it's also completely covered over top, so on a rainy day like today, you can still stand out here and get some enjoyment out of your balcony room. You also have a light. It's controlled by the light switch there just inside the door. But honestly, I've been on some junior suites on Royal Caribbean that didn't have balconies that were this size. They were wider, but they certainly weren't this deep. It gives you plenty of space out here. So if you like what you saw, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. Definitely helps. Subscribe if you would. That helps me even more. And if anybody has any questions about these rooms, comments, feel free to leave a comment down below. I monitor those regularly, and I'll be sure to answer any questions that you might have or comments about room 7196 on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you around.